Good morning, students. This video is for our current 7th grade students. 7th grade students, so if you are not a 7th grade class, please refer to the correct grade level. Good morning, 7th graders. I'm here today to talk to you about your subject selection process, which is going to begin next week. It's that time of year again. On Tuesday, February 13th, 7th grade homerooms will be receiving the subject selection sheets for the following school year. Please note that you'll be receiving papers that say 8th grade on them because you will be choosing your classes for 8th grade. It's not a mistake, okay? So, this paper, which for you guys will be in gray, is very, very important. You'll be receiving this paper in homeroom on Tuesday morning, and I'm going to explain everything on it, and it will be due to your homeroom teacher by Friday the 16th. So you will only have those days of next week to complete this process and show it to your parents and bring it back to your homeroom teacher by Friday the 16th. The first part of this paper on the front is the boxes where you will be writing your FSA, your current FSA levels in reading and in mathematics. And your teachers can help you here in case you're not sure in selecting if you're in any special programs such as special ed, gifted, ESOL, and medical health sciences magnet. The top portion of the page has your core classes, language arts, math, science, and social studies. Your teachers will be selecting your classes for next year. Please note that for high school credit classes such as Algebra 1, Geometry, Physics, and Biology, you will have to have passed the FSA with a level 3 or above, the FSA that we will take in April and May, to know if you can qualify to be in those classes. So please work really hard on your FSA and your AOCs to be able to qualify for those classes. Also, there's a reading section. If you are currently in a reading class, your reading teacher will be selecting a reading class for you for next year. Please note that if you pass the FSA reading portion, you will not be placed in that reading class. So it's merely a placeholder for you, and if and when you pass the FSA reading, we will remove the reading class for 8th grade. And then you'll have space for another elective. Your parent and you will sign the bottom of the form and write your name on the bottom as well. And then on the back side of the form, you will find the section for your elective choices. Please note that you will select 3 courses from this list in order of preference. Number 1 being the one you want the most, number 2 being your second choice, and 3 being your third choice. Please keep in mind that if you choose a class and put a number 3 next to it, it may be the class that you get. So please do not choose a class that you are not absolutely sure you want to be in. The electives featured are Spanish, Exploration of Engineering and Robotics Technology, PE, Art, Advanced Art, Band, Band being Band 1, the beginning band. We have the Advanced Symphonic and Jazz Bands, for which you need Ms. Vento's initials. We have our Multimedia class, which is the Univision Journalism class. If you are already in the Univision class, then you will be eligible for the next level of the class, Multimedia 2 or 3. And if you are currently in a magnet class, then you will have an option to take the 8th grade magnet elective, for which you will only be eligible if you are currently in that class, in that program. The bottom of the page has the PE waiver in case your parents do not want you to take PE. They would have to read the correct statement and sign it. Students, please keep in mind that if this sheet is not returned to your homeroom teacher by Friday, then we will be selecting your classes for you. There will absolutely not be any schedule changes made, and you will not have any say in the classes that you get if you do not turn this paper in by Friday. Again, this paper gets turned in to your homeroom teacher, who then will give the papers to me. Do not turn this paper into any other person but your homeroom teachers by Friday. Homeroom teachers, I will be giving you a copy of your homeroom rosters to check off as students return the forms to you. Those students that did not return them will be having a conversation with Dr. McCarthy. So students, please make sure that you return the sheets signed by your parents. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to pass by and I'll be happy to help you. Have a nice day.